What happened to your iPad, you said, sir?
My daughter, she dropped the iPad going to the bathroom and cracked the screen.
And it's bent too.
Yes, it is.
Screen is cracked?
Yes, it is.
The whole thing?
Yes, it is.
Wow, look at that.
Would you be able to fix it?
Yes, sir. Don't worry. I got you.
All right.
Your iPad is ready, sir. Look at
Wow.
this.
Thank you, sir. Great job.
Look at this.
Nice
You're
job.
welcome. Look at that. Here.
Amazing. It don't look like when I brought it in. Look like a brand new iPad.
And this is the case that you had it on.
Thank you very much,
Look
sir.
at this case now. Looks nice
Wow,
and
clean.
clean. Yes,
My daughter's gonna be real excited.
I hope so. Look at that. There we go.
Great job.
Thank you.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art.